Alright, emergency code blue pole, emergency help, whatever. Sits at college campuses, and you can push it and police will come on the scene pretty quick, hopefully. But they've got these weird security bits. I think they call them pentalobe. But there's 5-sided inner, 5-sided outer. Yeah, they want $120 to get 2 of the bits that are specific to this, and you can't really get them anywhere else. So, screwdriver, file it down to where it fits. You got to pay attention. It's 5-sided. Think of Patrick, the starfish from SpongeBob, and where his feet would be down here. There's his arms and head. It won't work anywhere else but wedged under the feet, and they will come right out for you, hopefully, if you got the right screwdriver.